Hello. I'm going to show how to draw the stairs, how to make the stairs on Revit. So for that, you have to go to the proper level first, which for me is the sidewalk level. And then you have to make it hidden lines so you can see the AutoCAD file clearly. And then you have to go and press on, you have to go to architecture, stairs, and then you have to go here and choose monolithic. After you choose monolithic, press on edit type, and then you duplicate my outer stairs, since we're making the outer one. And I have one with this name already, so I need to name it with something else. Make this 0.15, 15, and this 0.3. And then for this one, you go and you have to also duplicate this one. Name it my outer run. Make sure to keep the word outer in them so you don't get confused. The structural depth is the area that you have behind the stairs. So if you want it close, then put the same depth as the number of stairs that you have. So if you have 3 stairs, then it should be 0.45, for example. So for the thread, I will select it, which will let me edit this. So this. Now I can put my materials. I will put marble. And same for this. Usually they're the same material. Then I'll make this 0.3, 0.3, and this one also 0.3. Make them all the same so you don't get confused, and make them all either 0.2 or 0.3. And press OK. Press exterior, since it's the outer one. It will make Revit's life easier in calculating the stairs. And here also duplicate it and just leave it. So in case you have to change the thickness, it won't change everything. So my outer stairs, try. Okay. So now you have to go to run, sketch, and then you choose this. And then you draw this, which is called, the green lines are the boundary lines. And you draw them on the sides. And these lines are the risers. So you have to go here, press on them. Because of the way my stairs are, I need to make the long ones with the landing. I can't make them as a continuous line. I'm going to show it. And then you choose the stair path and you just put it here. Now the stair path is basically, it's supposed to go through all of the stairs and it cannot exceed the stairs. Press on the green tick and then you go and see if it's okay. It's okay. The thickness is not the same. I'm going to check it later because there are 2 different types. I probably didn't put the same number for them. Sometimes they're flipped like this, which can happen. You just have to press on flip here and it will fix it. Then you have to go to landing, choose this. Usually you don't have to go through this. It's just that I'm drawing a weird there, so I have to go through the extra hustle of doing this. And for the landing, the good thing is that the whole thing is with the green one. So you just press it like this and we'll just have a rectangle. Press TR and just trim the edges. so you don't get a warning. And it should be fine. Yes, it's fine. And then I have to go up and make 2 more stairs. Because that one so I don't get confused. Yes. I go to sketch again. And then I shall draw them. And I'll take the razor and I will just choose pick 9 and pick 1. And I'll press TR so I don't get a warning. And I press on this and I just draw it. It doesn't necessarily need to be in the center. It can be here even, but it needs to, the main thing is that it needs to pass through all of the stairs. Press on the green tick and then you go and see. See, it's flipped. So you just press on the flip. Yeah. But it's not flipped, it's okay. Okay, so now I just press on the tick and it's done. So that's how you do it. This one I did it in the same way. If you have something like this with like 2 normal steps and then one that's longer than usual, then you have to make that one as a landing. And then again, you make them with normal steps and this one is a landing. So since I have this half here, I can just delete this one. Since I have these ones here, I can just press on it and then I can just mirror it. So I'll just mirror it from the center and it will take it over there and I'll have it on both sides. So you can see it, it's there. Now, I forgot to adjust this, so that's why it's not in the center properly, but that's how you do it when you have something like this. You just flip it. You just mirror it on the other side.